Hello guys, this is Trader Sabra here. Welcome to week 10. I'm gonna be looking at two pairs today and probably three, looking at gold, GDP USD and also Euro USD. Now let's look at GDU. This is GU on the screen. The market has been very interesting on this pair. Now this is the daily time frame, as you can see. We have price pushing up and then give us like an M pattern around this place. We see the market giving us this M pattern here, like a double top. The neckline is broken, and then we are anticipating a downward movement. Now, this will be like a short, we're looking at like a short sell. Short buy that the market just did. Um, why that is going on, I want to mark this area where price stopped right here. This order block that price tap into. Okay, this is daily. That would be our resistance. And also, we should look at two things here. This level where price is at. So we're going to mark this level where price is at. Okay, which will be a support level. But meanwhile, I'm going to put it on 128, close to 128, but let me just put it right there. The line. Okay, let's change the color to be green. All right. So we have that right there. So we also put another line, vertical line over here at the top here. So we have a green there. Now, the reason for that is because I suspect the market want to go into consolidation. And if it's going to go into consolidation, that might take a while. We want a break out of the zone for us to be able to trade this week on GU. So the first thing is to now break it down to 4-hour time frame. Now, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, you have minor structures here. The market created few minor structure here, over here, and over here. And now this structure here is about to be taken out. So that's exactly what we're looking at. Now, if the market break this structure here, then we can anticipate a more downward movement. Okay, we can anticipate that. But if the market reject by creating a double bottom here on the 4-hour, then we're looking at price continuing to the upside. Now, we are not sure yet. We're just thinking this could possibly be what the market want to do. Now, so how do I position myself to trade this pair? Like I said, you will have to do some waiting. There's a waiting game. So the first thing is I will go to the 1-hour time frame. I want to show you something why I'm going to the 1-hour time frame. Please ensure you do exactly what I'm doing on your chart. So I'll go to the 1-hour time frame. I want you to see this beautiful images here. Sorry there. Let me show you something quickly. Let me show you what I'm looking at on this. You see this beautiful area of trend line. Okay, that's a trend line right there. It looks so faint, but let me make it thick so you can see it. That's it. And probably change the color as well. All right. We have a beautiful trend line here that I want you to pay attention to. Okay. Now, this trend line, 2 touches is enough for me. All right. I just use that 2 touch right there. That's enough for me. Now, all I want to do, all I want to see is that the price give me opportunity to buy if it breaks above, retest, and I continue to the upside. Now, that will give me the opportunity. So In other words, I'll be expecting price to give me a double bottom here, something of that nature, and I'm ready to buy. So that's my first opportunity to take this trade. So I'm looking for buys from that angle because we can see on the 1 hour time frame, we already have a bullish candle forming. We have a bullish candle formation on top of each other, letting us know that that place has been rejected. The market is now pushing up. And if you go to the 4 hour time frame, you will see a massive candle rejection on that candle. You see, on that support level. You see, there's a massive candle rejection there. So what that means is we should be anticipating from the 1 hour time frame opportunity to get into this trade on GU. So that's what we're looking at. So um, first anticipation is a break, trend line, pullback, and a buy. So that would be the first anticipation. So I'm looking at that first move that will give us this opportunity to take this trade to the upside. And we're targeting the first trade should be somewhere there. And there are stop loss just around about there. And that would be giving us about 2.5% for the day. For the month, for the week. If we get 2.5% on our trade for the week, that would be beautiful. So I'm looking for that setup. Now, assuming that did not happen, this is the second opportunity that I'll be looking for. Let's assume that it did not play out that way. So what I will wait for is a rejection on this trend line and a break below this low. I need price to break below this low. If price break below this low, okay, what I will need to wait for is a pullback. That's what I would trade here. There's a pullback. That means when price break below, I need to see price action, strong bearish momentum that the market want to continue to the downside. Then we'll keep looking for sell. So at that moment, what we're looking for is a break below this level, right? Looking for a break below this level and a pullback, and then we cannot take our entry. So we will be targeting areas that are price demanding. That means we should be looking at key areas like these levels here, price action here and here as major key levels to be looking at for, TPs. So we're looking at this area here, TP here, and also here, TP here, and even here as TP areas on GU. So if we begin to sell, this will be the area we're looking at to start trading to. Now, if it buys, we'll take the first buy, wait for price to break above this high, give us a pullback, and then we can continue to the upside. Okay? Now, this is what I'm looking to trade on GU. Remember, it's NFP week, and it's gonna be really interesting on Friday. So ensure that you stay away from the market during the news. Do not trade during the news. I encourage you that way because that's the way to save your account. You want to lose some money. Okay, now let's look at Euro USD. Now, Euro USD happens to be bearish. So we anticipate more bearish movement because obviously you can see the momentum. But let's look at the weekly. On Euro USD, we can see on the weekly, the market has beginning to shift toward the downside momentum. And we can see a consolidation phase here anyway. Last week closed bearish. So we're anticipating that the next candle should go bearish. Of course, we have liquidity there. Anything can happen. We have liquidity both at the top and at the bottom. So here's what I'm going to do on this Euro USD. So first of all, we're going to have a support level here. Okay, we have a support level. And then we have, resistance level there. And then we have a support level here. So that's possibly TP areas. But we also have this area here That seems to be another price action area, this level here. Okay, so we mark those higher time frame support and resistance, and now we're looking at this area. You see how beautiful it appears on the daily. Now, on the daily, we want price to break below this. If price break below this, we're looking for more sales. And if price reject out here and give us a bullish price action, we're looking to buy because of the top liquidity here. So let's look at the 4 hour to see what price has given to us on the 4 hour. Now, looking at the 4 hour time frame, we have a minor rejection here. So we have a rejection just like GU had rejection on that key level. So what we should be anticipating on this pair is possibly a W of this pattern. So we need to see that formation. So for us to even do better, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we have a beautiful structure here. We have a beautiful structure that we can equally put our trend line on. Okay, so what we're looking for here is that price will break this trend line and continue to the upside. So if price doesn't break this trend line, then we should be looking for opportunity to sell, right? So if price break the trend line, retest, will continue to the upside, right? But if it doesn't do that, so we are going to look at price action rejecting at that level, breaking low, and then pulling back, and then we continue. We need to continue to the downside to keep trading. So all I want you to do is to mark out these key levels on your chart so that you will be able to watch these areas for price trade. Remember, if price break the trend line to the upside, we'll be buying. If price refuse to break the trend line and then crosses below the support level, then we have opportunity to sell more. And they will be targeting this key area here for a TP for the week. Remember, this whole place that you see possibly could be a huge, let me measure it, depending, a huge level of, yeah, that's a lot of pips right there. That's 100 and something pips right there for the week. And that's a huge amount of money to be made for 1 week. And remember, you can trade GU as well if you want. So at the moment, yeah, this is what I'm looking to trade. So I'm looking to sell. If price break below, I'll sell for opportunity sell target. And that's it. But if price is high to buy, I'll wait for the trend line to break. It's as simple as that. I'll pull back and I'll continue. As soon as price is above this trend line, I'm gonna look for buy. Um, yeah, that's what I'm looking for on this pair. So let me look at gold quickly before we go. Gold, gold, gold has been dropping for a couple of days. And what I anticipate in gold is that price already begin to look for opportunity to go bullish. I do not sell gold, I buy gold. So when I trade gold, I will look for opportunity to buy. Let me remove this analysis. So we can see all along, few times the market dropped massively. Few weeks and months, there was a massive drop on that gold because there was a structural break. So we had that moment of little sell. But ever since, price has been rallying up. And before any major looking at selling the market, you must look at market structures anyway. So looking at the bigger picture, um, gold is just tanking, you see. A little pullback and then rally, a little pullback, rally, a little pullback here, rally. So we have another pullback. So I'm expecting buys on gold as soon as possible. Now, the first thing is to understand why gold. Um, we need to be buying gold. So where's my time frame? What happened? What happened to my charts? Let me reset. Okay, so what happened to my charts? See my time frame. And let's say we go to um all right, this is first of all on gold, I need to be very careful in actually deciding what to do with it. First of all, I'm gonna be using this area here to put my Fibonacci retracement. All I want to do is to buy. Simple trade on gold. I don't want to, this is higher time frame. I don't want I don't want to move price around. So let me just go to the 4 hour time frame first. So on the 4 hour time frame, I'll be looking at this area where, okay, we can see this is the 4 hour time frame right now. Uh, we will go, this is the 4 hour time frame. So you can see on the 4 hour time frame, the market is obviously bullish. Market is obviously bullish right now. Let me see 4 hour. Sorry about that. The market is obviously bullish right now. So what we're looking at is this line here, which is the 38 fib. All right, 38 fib. I was thinking price was gonna come there anyway. It hasn't come there yet. So I'm expecting price to come a little bit lower to this area here before we're looking for opportunity to buy. Now, if it breaks below this area, then look for sell. Now, this is 4 hour time frame. So let me go to the 1 hour time frame to help. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, you can see the price is already bullish. Okay, so the question is, how do we get into this trade when the market is already bullish? Simple trend line, break. So we'll put that beautiful trend line there. Okay, this is a downtrend telling us that the market is downtrend right now. So look at that. And we can decide to look at like obviously we have this one here. It can be touched here. There's no valid point on that. So we just leave it that way. All we need to see is a break above there. That's number one. And then we can use this level as a support. But at the moment, we will look for the opportunity to buy as soon as price break that level. So let me show you why I said so. This area here, interesting order block rallying because we can see price already begin to push up from there. And if you look to the left, price came to tap into this area price action on the 1 hour and then begin to rally. So on gold right now, I'm very careful. I'm not gonna say yet. I will still wait. It's not too clear on gold. I need to tell you the truth. I was expecting price has gotten to this key level. Let me just quickly do something on the daily. Okay, on the daily time frame. So let's do daily time frame. Sorry. Let's do the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we're looking at this area here. Okay, we're looking at, you see, this is an order block here, and again another one. So on a daily time frame, I'm anticipating that price will come lower to this area. But again, following that 1 hour time frame trend line, yeah, let's deal with it. So mark this area of daily time frame. If your price break below, we're looking for sell. Still, it's gonna drop. If it doesn't break below that level, then we should be anticipating trend line break, and we're gonna buy. So let me go back to the 1 hour time frame and show you. Yeah, this is it. So what that is, this green line, that's the daily lower time, the daily low. So if price come back and break that level, they will be targeting this 38 Fibonacci from the weekly time frame. Otherwise, we're gonna go bullish. So look for buy as soon as this trend line has been broken. That's it, guys. That's all I want to do today. Is enough. That's too much information today. So enjoy your trading week, guys. It's gonna be awesome, beautiful week, and we are in the month of March, the 10th week. So I'll see you on the other side of profit. Enjoy your trading week. I'll see you next week. Bye for now, guys. Bye bye.